Good morning, dear students. Now I have brought you in English grammar indirect speech in part 1. I have introduced you about the simple sentences. That I will give you one more example. Then we will move ahead for the interrogative sentences. Today I will give you one of the example. This is the man said to the girl. Okay. As I have said you, this is speaker, listener, reported verb, and there into inverted comma, there is a reported speech. Okay. Now here, as the rules I have told you like that, speaker as it is, said to turn into the told, listener as it is, then we put the conjunction that in between. And then we turn the speech into the indirect narration. Then first person of pronoun turn into the as a listener, as a speaker. So we put I turn into the man is here, so we put here he. No turn into the simple present tense to simple past tense. And you change according to the second person pronoun, change according to the listener. So the girl is here, so you is turned into objective case her, and then and your father means her father. This is the way, dear students, you will have to complete the sentence, simple sentences. I will give you so many examples in your exercise also. Now I will introduce you about interrogative sentences. How would you do the changes into the interrogative sentences? Most of the changes you do in the simple sentences, the same rules and regulations you will have to follow. But some changes you will have to add additionally. They are here. Suppose in he said to me, I give you one example. Okay, what are you doing? So this is one of the question sentence. Okay, in indirect speech. So what will you do? Here, the rules I will send you in the WhatsApp group. The rule is this. In place of said or said to, you will have to write asked. What will you write? Asked. Speaker as it is, listener as it is, and said or said to turn into the asked. Then, dear students, for the joining word. So, what we use in simple present tense, simple tense is as it is sentence we use that. Now here, joining word, we use if or whether. We use if or whether in place of that. That we are using in assertive sentences, in interrogative sentences. We must use if or whether. But if there is any WH word is given, so same word we will have to put here as a joining word. This is additionally thing. So this, dear students, you will have to remember. So in place of said or said to, you put asked, joining word if or whether. Okay. If WH word is there, so same WH word we will have to put. Okay. So WH word as it is as a joining word. Is it clear? Then, dear students, what will you do? Now about the speech. Speech must be turned into the simple assertive sentence from interrogative. So this is interrogative sentence. You will have to make it simple. How will you make it? I will give you one example. Suppose this is a pen. How will you make it questions? Verb, you put verb ahead. Is this a pen? Similarly, when you turn the sentence into interrogative, you have to put the verb first, then after subject and other things. Okay. Now, dear students, when you turn the interrogative sentence into the simple sentence, you simply put the subject first and verb. You replace the subject and verb places, then it will turn automatically as a simple sentences. Okay. So, dear students, here I will make this sentence for you. He, speaker as it is, asked, listener as it is, WH word is used as a joining word. Then we are having this sentence, are you doing? Means what we are doing? You are doing. Okay, so you is a subject, is changed as per me. So what will you do here? I. Okay, he asked me what I, simple present tense turn into the past, simple past tense. Okay, that I was, what I was doing. Then, dear students, simple sentence, then you have to interrogative mark change into the full stop. This way you can make so many sentences. Suppose ready? Now, dear students, here as per the rules I have done here. Now, one more example I will give you. Rohan said to Ram, can you climb on the tree? Can you climb on the tree? So, dear students, here there is not WH word, so we have to put joining word if or whether from both, any one of them. Okay, so as per the rules, we are putting Rohan means speaker as it is, said to turn into the asked for interrogative sentences. Ram, then if. Now you have to turn the interrogative sentence into the assertive sentence. So you, the subject first in the assertive sentence and verb first in the interrogative sentence. So you change according to the listener, according to Ram. So we put here he. Okay, he can turn into the could. If he could climb on the tree. So Rohan asked Ram if he could climb on the tree. So dear students, this is also about the interrogative sentences changed into the assertive sentences while you change the indirect to direct to indirect. Okay, dear students. Now the same way you also change the sentences into the imperative to simple. So I will give you more introduction about the imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences and about your exercises in the next video of our indirect speech part 3. Okay, now here I will give you one more example. Where do you live? Anil said to Sonal, where do you live? Okay, so when this type of sentence is given, you must find where the speaker is and where the listener is given. Anil. So, Anil asked the Sonal. Speaker as it is, listener as it is, say to the into the asker, then you will have to put WH word is given. So WH word is used as a conjunction, joining word. Okay. Now where do you live? You do live means you according to the listener. So see, Anil asked the Sonal where she lived. Simple present tense turning to simple past tense. When we use do, does, did, then they are used in the interrogative sentence and negative sentence. When we turn interrogative sentence into the negative sentence, we will have to change the tense accordingly. So do, live means this sentence is about simple present tense interrogative. So simple present tense, now we have to make it assertive, but it must turn into the simple past. So dear students, Anil asked the Sonal where she lived. This way you can make interrogative sentences into the assertive sentences and direct to indirect. Now in next video I will provide you about ideas about the imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences as I will give you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.